Hello and welcome to BeesTV. We're here in Brighton. I mean, it's not the sunniest today, but still, we've got it's a good day out here. We've got the fish and chips. We've got the boys in the back. We're gonna see how it goes. Brighton versus Brentford away at Brighton. It's my first time here away. It's good to be here, but it's looking good. The boys might not be on the best of form as of late, as of the last few 4 or 5 games, but definitely looking to bring it back. We've got good optimism. Ivan Toney playing for England. What more do you want? A great day to be out here, of course, as I've said, too many times already. So we're gonna do it. Come on, you bees. Brighton 2, Brentford 2. It's been thrilling. You wouldn't know it. Three goals back to back after the first one. Brighton pulled it back. Brentford took the lead again. Brighton pulled it back again. 2-2. Second half, all to play for. It's been quality and absolutely looking forward to it. What a game so far. Come on, you beat. It's 3-3 at the Amex. Heartbreak. Right at the very end. At 80 minutes, thought we had it. But, yeah. But, it's gutted. Heartbreaking. But, we're here. It was a good performance overall. Apart from a few things here and there. The coherence is not really coming across, but just because of everything that happened. Thrilling game. Goals coming from everywhere, left and right, like Pontus Jansson, his magic. But yeah, Brighton 3, Brentford 3 at the Amex. It's been Brentford. It's been BeesTV. Thank you very much and goodbye.